Good morning, children. How are you? I hope all of you enjoyed the Christmas holidays very well. So, let us have a revision today. Are you ready? Hi, children. Let us start revision 1 now. So, all the questions are from reader. In revision 1, all the questions are from reader. So, let us start with the meanings. Write the meanings of wood. Wood meaning a small forest. Prompt. Prompt meaning quick. Surge of water means waves crashing on the beach. Might means strength. Fasten means joined or attached. Next one, choose the correct answers from the brackets. The question A, Dorothy was from dash. O's, Kansas. The answer is Kansas. B, the scarecrow's ears were dash. Not straight, missing. Which one? Not straight. C, giant waves dash. Option roar, recede and soar. So which is the answer? Recede and soar. D, pebbles and shells were dashed on the beach. Options are scattered, arranged. What's the answer? Scattered. Question E, Master said that the knowledge given to animals often saved dash. In the bracket you can see money and lives. So what is the answer? Lives. Next one, Beauty, the master and John started back for home. In the bracket, late in the afternoon, early next morning. Which is the answer? Late in the afternoon. Next one, poet of the poem Victory in Friendship. Who is the poet of the poem Victory in Friendship? Yeah, Liana Palm. Next one, writer of the novel Black Beauty. Who is the writer of the novel Black Beauty? Anna Sewell. Next one, the extract A Stormy Day is taken from the novel. Which one? Black Beauty. Next one, the extract The Road Through the Forest is taken from the novel. Which novel? The Wonderful Wizard of Oz. Next question is, writer of the passage The Road Through the Forest. Who is the writer? Lyman Frank Baum. Lyman Frank Baum. Next one, answer the following questions. Why did the pebbles and shells have to fight against the waves? Answer, the pebbles and shells have to fight against the waves because the waves were carrying them into the ocean from the shore. Next one, what was the speaker in the poem doing? Which poem? Victory in Friendship. The speaker was sitting on the shore and watching the sea waves. Question C, describe how the farmer made the scarecrow. Answer, first the farmer painted the ears of the scarecrow and asked his friend's opinion about them. Then he drew its eyes. Finally, he painted its mouth and nose. After painting the face of the scarecrow, the farmer make its body makes. So you have read makes its body, arms and legs. Next one, question D. Why was the scarecrow glad that he was never hungry? The scarecrow was glad that he was never hungry because his mouth was painted. If he tried to cut a hole and put food into his mouth, all the straw stuffed in his head would come out. This will spoil the shape of its head. Question E. Describe the weather when the cart was passing through the wood. Answer. When the cart was passing through the wood, The weather became stormy. The branches of the trees swayed, making a terrible sound. Question F. Why did Beauty like to go in a dog cart? Answer. Beauty liked to go in a dog cart because it was light and it had large wheels that ran well. So, one more question, that is, the man at the toll gate said it would be a bad night. Explain. Answer. It was a stormy night. The river was rising fast and many meadows were already submerged under water. So write all these questions in your notebook. Hi children. So all of you write the revision questions in your notebook and also you study everything, and we discussed only the important questions today, so go through them and study everything. So wish you all the best.